This weekend storm was especially hard on the plows and the first responding state troopers to county sheriffs working tirelessly throughout the night. The Story County Sheriff's Office says they responded to hundreds of calls for service over the weekend from people who were stranded in their cars.
How's it going? Not good, huh?
Indeed not. This is dash camera footage from a sheriff in Story County helping this stranded person get somewhere safely. As you can see, visibility was basically zero. Lieutenant Nicholas Lenny says the snowdrifts were so high they had trouble reaching people stuck on the sides of the roads. They had to leave many stranded for hours before they could reach them.
Even with doubling our response numbers, we were still just way behind on the calls. We were nonstop busy since the storm started, and even into this morning, we're still in that recovery mode, getting cars off gravel roads, still getting cars off secondary roads.
He said another frustration was that they were chasing what they call ghost cars, as they refer to them. People who call in for help stranded on a county road, but by the time a sheriff's deputy could reach them, either the passenger had already gotten themselves out or someone else had come to pick them up and they just abandoned the car.